In the last video, we went through how to build your personal model in Phota Studio. This is a very important step to start creating and editing your own photos. So if you missed it, make sure to check it out. Once your profiles are ready, this is where things get fun, and this is where you start creating your photos. In this video, I'll walk through the Phota Studio web app and show you how to navigate the different features in the main workspace. Let's start by generating new photos for your profiles. Use the @ symbol or mention symbol to specify the main subject that you want to generate. Throughout the web, subjects are mentioned in the same way. By default, it uses your cover photo as a reference, but you can always replace it with another one. By the way, you can also change your profile cover in the People and Pets page. Where things get really interesting is editing an existing photo. You can upload one or multiple images and make changes through prompts. When you upload a photo, we automatically detect people and pets and match them to existing profiles. If someone is misidentified, click the circle and reassign them to the correct profile. If someone appears as unknown because the subject doesn't have a profile yet, create a new profile for them so their identity can always be accurate. You can come up with your own creative instruction or use the template we think might be useful at the bottom. For example, make someone in the photo smile. Last but not least, one of the most exciting parts of Phota Studio is Actions. These are handy photo editing tools built with optimized models and workflows designed to make powerful edits simple and fast. Fix It is for quick cleanup. It automatically detects and corrects common issues like distractions in the background, blur, reflections, or portrait that is out of focus. It's a good first step if a photo just feels a bit off but you're not sure where to start with. Style Me turns your ideation into reality in no time. Bring any photo style you like and apply it onto your own images. Make Pro is designed to give your portrait photo a more polished and professional look. Try it with a casual photo and see how it turns into a professional-looking portrait. Add Them can quickly add someone into your photo while keeping the original scene mostly untouched. The nice thing about Actions is that all of these are one click, and you can just try them out, see what works, and iterate from there. Alright, that's a quick look at what you can do with Phota Studio, and I'm sure that there are much more you can do with your own creative mind. We would love to see what you create. Feel free to share your favorite photos on social media and tag us with #Phota. You're also very welcome to join our community on Discord. Happy photo making!